Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm joining in the hashtag 2crafters1design hosted by Melissa, Gloria, and Lisa. I will link all of their channels down below. This week their challenge is to make a topper. I have been making these shaker embellishments. I have been packaging them up in preparation for a Happy Mail swap. This one needs a topper. I picked up this topper die. It was either Temu or AliExpress. I don't remember. I feel like it was an older one, so I think it was from AliExpress. And it is the perfect size for the embellishment that I'm going to be wrapping up. I hauled these plastic bags from a yard sale. They are actually recipe card sheet protectors, and they are the perfect size for what I'm looking for. What I've done so far is I've stuck a removable glue dot on the back of this lemon to keep it in place, but can also be easily removed. And I cut my background to fit my plastic sleeve protector. And I'm going to put this right inside. On the inside, I am going to use some like chunky glitter. Pour some in there like that. Let's assemble our bag topper. I've already cut it out with some coordinating paper to my background. I'm going to add some fruit washi to go with the theme because it's washi tape. I am definitely going to put some glue on the back of it. That's just going to help it stick in place because you know how washi tape can be. I'm going to put this right down there. I pulled out some really old, they're called alpha dots, and they're just some words for like scrapbooking, but I'm going to pop the happy word out, and I'm going to stick that on top. I posted a short of how I cut these cherries out of one of my paper pads, and I'm going to add one of those. I'm going to tuck it right behind that happy before it dries. Just like that. There we go. And then I'm just going to put some sticky tape on it. And close it up. And there we go. There's the bag topper. And here's the first one that I made. And thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.